Welcome back to Mady English Practice. I'm Mady.
And I'm Jules. Today we are looking at two time words that cause so many missed deadlines and confusing emails for English learners.
Miss deadlines? That sounds stressful. What are the words today?
The words are by and until.
Oh, by and until. Yes, they both talk about time and the future, but they describe entirely different types of action.
Exactly. For our English learners, the golden rule is about the difference between a single quick action and a long continuous action. Let's start with by.
By is a deadline. It means no later than this specific time. You use it for a short, single action that just needs to be finished.
Right. Let's look at a real scenario. Imagine you have a big electricity bill to pay and the paper says it is due on Friday.
If you don't pay it, they will turn off your lights.
Exactly. So you tell your partner, I need to pay the bill by Friday. Paying a bill is a quick action. You can pay it on Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, but Friday is the absolute final deadline.
Perfect. Now let's look at the second word, until. We use until for an action or a situation that continues without stopping, up until a certain point in time, and then it stops.
Let's look at another real scenario. Imagine it is the weekend and you are incredibly tired from working all week.
Ugh, I am turning off my alarm clock and staying in bed.
Yes, you tell your family, I am going to sleep until 10 o'clock. Sleeping is a continuous action. You start sleeping and you don't stop sleeping until the clock hits 10. Then the action finishes.
This brings us to the biggest grammar mistake English learners make at work. People constantly mix up deadlines and continuous actions in their emails.
Yes, we see this all the time. An English learner will write to their boss, I will send you the report until 5 p.m.
Oh no, that sounds like you are going to sit at your computer, hit the send button 1,000 times over and over again for 5 straight hours.
Exactly. Sending an email is a single, quick action. It's a deadline, so you absolutely must say, I will send you the report by 5 p.m.
A great memory trick for our learners, by is for a deadline, until is for a duration.
Your homework for today, think about your schedule tomorrow. What is one quick task you need to finish by a certain time, and what is one long activity you will do until a certain time? Practice making both sentences out loud in English.
Keeping your deadlines and durations separate will make your workplace communication absolutely perfect. You've got this.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep growing.
Don't wait until tomorrow. Practice right now. See you next time on Mady English Practice.